Residents of Abude Street, Abo, in the Ika South local government area of Delta State, Jubilate as the Ika South local government council embark on road project. Good morning, ma.
All right.
What is your name, ma?
My name is Faith Jump.
Faith Jumbo, Mrs. Faith
Mrs.
Jumbo. Where we dey so? Abude Street for Abo, Ika South. Wetin dey happen now presently for the street?
Then they walk our street, you.
Okay. You know the people wey dey work am?
No, they know.
Na Ika South council na dem dey work am. So how you feel now as they work? Yeah, na here where your business dey, abi? Here where you dey do business.
Yes.
So how you feel now as they work this place now where you dey do business?
I feel happy because after doing this road now, market go dey come. Every day go, everywhere go dey well.
So wetin you get to tell the Ika South chairman Honorable Jerry Ehiwarior?
I pray for am, na God go reward am. God go bless am. Long life, prosperity. Anything lay hand to do, prosper.
Your name again, ma?
Faith Jump. It's my village man, Kwabo.
Okay, you know.
God go bless that.
Okay, Daddy, Womaba. Here, fine, sir.
From J.N.E. Olud.
Say?
J.N.E.
Olud. Okay. Elebo we pay na here.
Okay, Abude Street.
Abude Street we pay. Ki remember this street, Kiken?
Waya around.
Okay. Yamang de around na.
I don't know about either castle or
okay. Castle around. So ki one anike obi wa so you so here also we remember so we remember no one no.
Obi ya so kam. Here down.
Ki one wa ya gwande around na castle.
Okay. Nwe kene jenu anu. People je ka jenu wa kanu. God go bless them.
F.I.Z.
FM. Okay. J.N.E. Olud.
You hold on, Adi.
Man.
The landlord, Abi tenant.
Tenant go.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Make we meet you, sir. Your name?
Name is Godwin.
Godwin Oko, sir. Where would they at the moment, sir? Abude Street. What did happen for Abude Street?
We are seeing a good thing Abude.
What be the
New development.
What be the new development, sir?
New road.
Okay, the road where they construct for. You know the people they construct them?
I don't really know. Get information. Local government.
Council is doing.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about the?
We are very happy.
Also, here now your business area. Now here, okay, where you do your workshop. Alright, you believe? What you believe? Say after the road, you do the road finish. How you believe? Say go affect your business now?
Good thing go enter the streets, and more people will begin call here.
So, and like I said, we boost your business. Alright, thank you very much. Your name again?
God be no problem.
Very much.